problem. So what I was doing in that video was stupid. Don't get me wrong. The swinging, the slinging, all that stuff, burning out, all that stuff is stupid, but it serves a purpose. Look what we got here. We got meat. 315s, baby. Look how high they stand up. 315s. Full ways. Big full ways. 315s all the way around, front to the back, side to side. So we can kiss those other tires that I got goodbye, because now we actually have meat. You can tell I'm a car guy. I put it in my kitchen. Let's get to the video. All right, so dig this. The best spots to get active is normally some of the most sketchy spots. I've got my brightness on this camera like all the way up. Trust me when I say I can't see a damn thing. But trust me also when I say, when we get to the spot, you're gonna be amazed. Like, if you're a car guy, you just gotta drive through your city. You know what I'm saying? Go to Google Maps if you don't want to waste gas, and just start looking for spots. Way back here in the cut. Oh shit. No, that's leaves, my bad. I don't recommend doing this when you got 20% tint on the front windshield either, but you know, we do what we gotta do. You got a little hotel situation back there, and then you come all the way. That's a deer for sure right there. Sometimes you gotta worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta worry about that. That was definitely a deer. All right, if you're not seeing deers, you know what I'm saying? You're not finding the right places. And then we come all the way back here, right? Now you might say, okay, this looks like some room right here. Now we got to go back. We got to go back. Right here. All this space and opportunity. We have got to go further back. You see any security with? Do you see anybody? No, you do not. Because we way up in the boonies. Or way back in the boonies. We're still in Charlotte. Don't get it twisted. If you want this location, hit me in the DMs. There is nobody. If you in Charlotte or you in North Carolina and you just want a spot to tear up and don't have to worry about security and cops and shit like that, you need to hit me in the DMs. Hit me on Instagram and I'll tell you where this is. Hold on, don't tell me they got it blocked. Don't tell me they got it locked. Oh my God. Well, you know what I'm saying? That's what you got to worry about. Sometimes that's the, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes that's the caveat. Like, look at all this space and opportunity. We couldn't go in the very back, so we're actually up here in the front. But I mean, like, nobody's here. Like, that's the goal. Like, you got to find places where nobody is. But if not, we're just going to do it right here in the parking lot. See what I'm saying? They got the shit blocked off down there too. I saw one place where they did have it open. So not all of them should be closed. I'm not gonna lie, this shit kind of spooky. I mean, when you got a big ass open spot like this and you the only one back here, it's almost too good to be true. You see what I'm saying? Look at all this. Wide open, bruh. Where the cameras at? Are there any cameras? Wide open, bruh. Your boy Knockout's gonna find the spots, man. Are there any cameras? Because what they do is they put cameras up here and then they get you. All right, now before we get active, we're gonna roll through one more time just to make sure there ain't no security that your boy missed. Make sure I didn't miss no cameras. All right, no security. Let's go ahead and get to it. Track mode. You know, we already got some new tires at the house waiting on us, so there's no point in even giving a damn about these. Let's get rid of that whole traction situation. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna do run just to see if I cause any kind of uproar. See if I can get you guys set up. Let's get it up to about 1500. Oh yeah. No traction, no problem. God damn! Every now and then your boy get active. Every blue moon your boy would get active. Let's go. Something. Hold on, let me break it down. I know she ain't used to that. She like, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing to me? Every blue moon, man, I'll play as long as I know I got room. Yeah, man, like my tires are pretty much done, so I figured I'd have a little fun with it. You guys know I don't get into the active stuff like that. Not in this car right here. This is an investment for me, you know what I'm saying? But considering I got brand new tires at the crib, I figured why not? And I know it's dirty, get off my ass, but for real though, let me talk to you guys for a second. Scats are, let me get you in focus. Scats are plenty of power. Don't let anybody tell you that you need a Hellcat. Your ScatPack is plenty of power. I love this car, you know what I'm saying? And to be honest with you, if I wasn't doing this YouTube thing, I wouldn't even be interested in a Hellcat. Like this would be plenty, you feel me? But the fact is, I love this car. I love my ScatPack. If you guys have a ScatPack, you don't need to upgrade unless you just want to. If you got the money, it's no problem, get what you want. Fuck what I'm talking about. But the fact of the matter is these cars have enough power. They look good, they're powerful, they sound good. I mean, listen, you know what I'm saying? That's eco mode right there. If I put it in track mode, it's gonna be even louder, man. Like you can have so much fun in these cars. And truth be told, you should be able to beat 70, 80, 85% of the cars on the street. You know what I'm saying? Mustang 5.0, smoke them. Camaro SS, smoke them. SS1LE, you should be able to smoke the fuck out of those cars in a Scat. You do not need a Hellcat, man. But if you want a Hellcat, get what you want. Truth be told, I don't know if I just said this, but if I wasn't doing YouTube, I wouldn't even be interested in a Hellcat. Like this would be enough. Like you guys don't know this, but my first car was a Honda Civic. You know what I'm saying? Like coming from that, and then my V6 Charger, and then this is plenty. So for you guys out there that's got scats or want scats, you know what I'm saying, get a scat and call it a day. That's plenty of power. I'm telling you, you will love it. You get all the modes that a Hellcat gets. You get the SRT modes, Dodge pages, performance pages, all that bullshit. The only thing the Hellcat has is that big supercharger. And truth be told, I get so sideways in this motherfucker every single day. I can't even imagine when my Hellcat comes in what it's gonna be like. But for real, guys, for all you guys out there that's got the scats, you know, Daytona 392s, TA 392s, wide body 392s, it's plenty of power. Hold on to your scat. You do not need a Hellcat. Take it from your boy Knockout 360, man. I love this car, and when the time comes for me to part from it, I'm gonna hate it, but trust me when I say these cars are plenty of power. Oh yeah. So you can always tell when you get active and you start driving because your tires are so sticky. All you're doing is picking up leaves and dumb shit, man. But as always, real quick video, guys. You guys know I don't typically do crazy shit in my car, but when I got a spot and I know it's just, you know, wide open, I'm gonna have some fun. If you want to know that spot, you're in Charlotte or you're in the North Carolina area, holler at your boy, hit me in the DMs and we'll talk about it. But aside from that, I got to get groceries and I'm hungry, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.